Greetings, I'm Otto, the Metalkake.
I am Franz.
What you have there, Franz?
I don't know, it's your mail.
We got some mystery mail. Oh yeah! Mystery mail. This time, not from reindeer magic, but Japan. Let's see what we have.
Open it up, open it up!
First up, consider this from the Southern Islands. Japanese set. A sealed tropical island jungle. I guess you could call it a box, but it's quite two-dimensional to be a box. Southern
Card.
Islands. A Picatongue, a White Plume, Primate.
And Venomoth.
This is really old. 95, 96, 98.
Cheap, 200 yen.
Yeah, 200 yen. That's about $2.
Less.
A bit under. And along those same lines, we got Ivysaur, Slowking, and War Turtle from that very same set. We are hoping to collect the whole Southern Island set. We are working on it. I like the cards. And the hollow pattern is kind of cool. We got some Eevee cards. One Eevee promo, and another one from Call of Legends, maybe. I like to collect evolutions and Eevee cards. We got a Charizard. What do you think of that?
Fitting.
It's also from Japan, and this artwork is actually a artwork drawing competition, and the victor would have their artwork in a card.
Oh.
And this one won. So this is the
That's pretty rad.
Illustrator contest Charizard promo. So yeah, I think it's kind of cool.
There should be more of that because Pokemon fan art is really rad.
Yes.
Like 70% of the time.
We got the stadium.
I think it's rad. Though I don't know the contestants, so
I'll show you them later.
okay.
And more Japanese promos. Do you know what
No,
this is? This is the
that's cute as heck.
This is the Kanazawa Pikachu. So Pokemon Center opened up the Kanazawa,
Yeah.
and this was their promo. It's got the Pikachu with some temari. The only way to get it was to go
Be
to
there.
Kanazawa. Cool. Check it out. A whole booster box of what we call a team up, but it's Tag Bolt, a Japanese booster box.
Ooh.
Let's get into it one day. Most notable cards of this set would be Gengar, Mimikyu, or maybe Latios and Latias. Yeah, it's kind of cool. What else do we have?
Cool.
Take a look at this.
Ho ho ho.
Pikachu and Rizardo. Pokemon Scale World figures. I love
It's
this.
so tiny.
Well, it's a mouse.
It's a puny little thing.
I really like Charmeleon. One more item.
Let's go.
Behold. Let's go like this.
Ooh. Zoom out.
Yeah, Pokemon Scale World Johto set with gold and a bunch of Pokemon. I can't wait to open this up. We gotta wait for Mox to open this up. Check this out. We got the True Steel Premium Collection. I like to call it the True Metal Collection because originally this set was called the Metal Dog Collection, but for some reason they changed it to True Steel Collection.
It's probably easier to say.
True Metal. So, I say, let's open it up. But first,
This.
do you want to open this up?
Okay. Beautiful.
I want to keep the box intact.
Just as God intended.
Let's get it. Get the code. What? We got a piece of bubble gum.
Really?
Yes. Do you know why they include bubble gum?
No.
Probably because of tax reasons.
Okay.
It's got 5 calories though.
It's 5 calories. That's way too much, dude.
What's my microphone? Let's see.
It simply won't. Oh my god, this is a tiny ass Pikachu.
So cute. They're actual scale. Literally called a lizard in Japanese.
Imagine.
Charmeleon. And his buddy Pikachu. What's this stand for? I'm moving those guys. Fantastic. Oh, okay.
It's fine, we're fine.
Let's open the true metal box.
The heart of the card is gonna tell us what's in it.
I was thinking, Franz,
Yeah.
you know how I made the song about Blastoise?
Yeah.
Should I make a song about Charizard called The Heart of the Zards?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
That would be quite Dragon Force.
It would. It really would.
I mean, just a casual collab, you know, Metalkake and Dragon Force.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure he's got nothing better to do.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, go.
Let's see what we got.
We got a code.
Got the code.
Yay.
We got a dog.
Yay.
Yeah. Metal dog.
With a sword in
In
its
his
mouth.
mouth. We got a pin.
With a dog
With a sword.
in its mouth.
We got a promo.
With a dog
With a sword.
in its mouth.
Okay. Booster rundown. We get Darkness Oblige.
Ooh.
And another Darkness Oblige. We get BS. We get Sword and Shield. Unbroken Bonds.
Sweet. Nice.
Yes, it's extremely valuable nowadays. And Evolutions. You know what's awesome?
Tell us, Justin.
We have a chance for a Charizard in every single one of these.
Really?
Except for that one.
Yeah.
So, let's begin with that. Hunting for Zards, like everyone does.
Just you wait.
Card.
Fine.
1, 2, 3, 4. I've never ever gotten anything from Sword and Shield, but let's go. Lightning Energy, hit the chain, the Balloon, Fish, the Bunny, the Tea, the Cactus, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, the Lungberry, also Morpeko.
Okay.
You go with Darkness Oblige.
Oh, yes.
And it's 4 cards to the front.
4 cards to the front.
Let's get
With
it.
the water energy. Clang. Smizag. Sure. Melton. Marianne. Purloin. Starly. Aaron. Solrock. Heatran.
Nitran, it's a hello. Remember him from the games?
No.
Nor do I!
Is there lightning energy?
Do you wanna hear a conspiracy theory?
Yeah, sure.
The third set of the Sun and Moon series was called Burning Shadows. It was the first set in that generation to include a Charizard.
Okay.
And it introduced a new type of Charizard called Charizard GX. Darkness Ablaze. The name is quite close to Burning Shadows, wouldn't you think it's almost a synonym? It's the third set of its generation, and it was set to include Charizard in that generation, and it introduced a new type of Charizard called Charizard V. Max.
Yeah, that does sound like a conspiracy.
So Burning Shadows, Darkness Ablaze. Are they the same? Could it be? I have no clue where I'm going with that, but
Yeah, it does sound like a conspiracy, 100%.
it's cool. Let's see if I can get anything better from Darkness Oblige. Fist!
Yes.
Bullshit! Nothing. Bear. Rose Tower. Dog. Taurus. The real Breaking Nate's favorite card. Rookity. Galarian Mr. Rock. Mime. Electrike. Oh, I've heard it.
Oh, that's
Look at that guy.
some
Did you know Furt is actually huge? Anyways, we
Yeah.
also got
cool.
Shalamens B.
It's not nothing.
I like this dragon. Cool! Speaking of burning shadows, do you want to have a go?
Let's burn these shadows.
Burn some shadows! Let's ablaze some darkness.
Blaze some chicken. Not the speed of that.
None the highest. 4. Let's get it. Let's burn some shadows.
Droplet.
Let's flip burn.
Hell no.
Eel.
Sure. Simisag. Knocked out. Oh, it's just my favorite. I love Pokemon.
Okay, cool.
I love him.
I like Stuffle.
Okay. The skull. Spider. Another eel.
Eel. Thanks, BS, for being BS. Unbroken bonds. Come on! Arceus, Bidoof, Kaiba, Sacrebleu. We're not doing too good today, but got darkness and energy.
It can only go up from here.
Graveler. Ooh, Fire Crystal, actually playable card in the Evolution Spring. The Goldeen, the Post Pest. Potato. Slowpoke. The Tentacatan. Sandshoe. Giovanni's Exile. And Deseraura.
Next!
Wanna know something fun?
Tell us.
In eBay, there's a listing for 3 potatoes with a Pokemon card that has Duck Trio. Oops. Last pack Magic Evolutions Charizard. Let's get it.
Go.
Did you know that in Finland, Evolutions is going for 20 bucks? A booster.
No?
20.
Nice.
Good code. Let's get it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nope. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Look at a surfing picture. I might have screwed up the cartridge. Let's go. Misty! It's classic. I like Evolutions, you know.
Oh,
classic
body.
cards. Nice. Takes me back. Weedle.
Needle.
Cha.
Ah, the
Off-season.
mashup. Every single mashup has it.
Oops.
Tuto.
We got Rockon.
Yeah.
The Mewtwo reverse hollow is nice.
Dude, it's really nice.
And 3 potatoes.
It's a fun ending.
Recap time! Here's everything worth mentioning today! What's your favorite?
Pikachu. Pikachu. Definitely Pikachu.
Kanazawa Pikachu.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Pikachu.
I'm gonna have to go with... This is my favorite.
Oh, damn.
Ivysaur from the Southern Islands. Like that smile. Cool! So that was metal indeed! Thank you once again for joining us. Like the video, comment down below, share it around, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next exciting episode. What you have there, Franz?
I don't know, it's your mail.
It's my mail!